SOC's Office of Communication and Outreach and the AU Career Center brought SOC alumni back to campus to advise students on overcoming workplace inclusion barriers. The topics discussed throughout the day included imposter syndrome, balancing authenticity with professionalism, and finding or being an ally in the office. Attendees shared their experiences with each other and built confidence through small group discussions.
The great takeaway from this event was about hearing different people from different backgrounds and cultures, and then talking about their experience in being in the workforce. We had some great journalist people here, and I got to learn some things about how they want to be their authentic self in the workplace and how to not be afraid to be yourself. And I got to share my experience being an SOC student.